One of the hardest parts with YouTube is come up with a good title for your video and also have a good description that is searchable and people find your video. In this tutorial I will showcase how you transcribe your videos with CapCut Pro and also a free tool. So you don't need to pay anything to make your transcriptions, and then go into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give us a good description and a few title options. So let's dig in. Here you can see my latest video. I've used AI to make the title, at least some outputs of the title. I've iterated as well and made my own touch on it as well. And here's the description also, and also got some tags from AI ChatGPT for the video as well, based on this. And can also do hashtags and so on. So let's start with CapCut. Here you have my latest video. Go watch it. It's 6 minutes long, and what to do here is you need to have captions on your video, because otherwise you cannot export the captions. So add the captions for your video first, and then you press export here. And usually you have the video checked here, but uncheck it, and you go near down here to the text format for the captions, and then press export. And you go open the folder. Here we have the transcription of my 6 minutes video. It could be good as well if you made like a 50 minutes video, just talking, and you're not sure what you talked about or what the topic should be for the video. Maybe come up with that later on. Sometimes you do the backwards. So the free tool I will showcase now is here, TurboScribe. You can do free daily transcriptions. It's free tool. I think you can transcribe videos up to 30 minutes. You can transcribe audio as well. So you press transcribe files, and then you have the file here, upload here. You can redo it here. Browse the file, and you upload the file here, and you get it here. It takes a few minutes, depending on your upload speed and so. But for the sake of this video, I have prepared. Here you can see I used it here, and then you press the buttons here to the right, and then you can export the transcription. You can also export a PDF and so whatever. And here you open it, you can see it's pretty much the same as I had on CapCut before. I'll copy it here, and then we go into ChatGPT. I've started here, act as a YouTube guru. It could give ChatGPT a role here, so it's mastering YouTube. And give me a good title. Maybe give me a few title options for my video. Also give me a SEO. AEO is engine. This is AEO more when you search with AI, so it finds it. SEO is more search for Google or something. It's later discussion. Don't take it here. And give me AEO description based on my transcript. Also give me 4 or 5 tags and hashtags, and then we paste the transcription here, and we start it here. Let's see what it comes up with. Here are some options for titles. I'm 40 plus with full-time job, and well, you can see here 5 options. You can pick one you like the most, or you can just rearrange and make your own thing. And you can have here this description. It's good. Making videos, and a good tip is to make it your own or change something in it. At least erase these ones, because people know you may use AI when you see them. It's pretty much that. And here you have the tags. You can just copy them, and hashtags here. YouTube journey, over 40 creators start now. Here you have a thumbnail ID, holding a mic or something, blah, blah, blah. That's a later video. You want me to make another tutorial when I do check the thumbnail options? Please like or subscribe to this video. Bye.